Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started the chapter quality. We have studied the first two slides. Let's see. The shop, shoe shop, that is the name of that shop is Jessler Brother. And how? What the one more quality of Jessler Brother or the shoe writer informers? That is the quality of that shoes is very good. That shoes are lasting for many days, so it's not possible to go and meet the Jessler brother again. Okay, so because these shoes are lasting for many days, so writer is also not visiting the shoe shop. Here if we have seen, I have explained about the Mr. Jessler, who is an old man, and how he is taking the measurement of the writer's foot. By taking the order, they are making the shoes. Let's see the next. One day the narrator goes to the wood shop and tells him that the last shoes he got from him creak. After a long pause, Mr. Jessler asks him to bring the shoes to him. He assures that if he can't repair them, he will give the money back. What is this incident is telling? Writer meet to the Mr. Jessler and tell that whatever the boot you have given me last, that boot has got a creak, and Mr. Jessler said, okay, it's the problem, then please bring that boot to me, I'll repair it. If I can't repair, then I will give you money back. This type of behavior can we see in the other boot shops? No. Okay, they are very professional, but Mr. Jessler by behavior also was very good and also stitching the shoes of the high quality. Another day he goes to the Jessler brothers to order a new pair, wearing a pair of shoes which he bought due to some emergency from a big firm. Mr. Jessler at once recognized that the shoes are not made by him. He touches a particular spot on the narrator's shoes where it isn't comfortable for the narrator and says that it hurts there. He expresses his contempt that those large firms attract the customers through the shiny, impressive advertisement to sell their inferior quality of products. Then the author explained to him under what circumstances he had to buy these shoes. Now, another incident was narrated by the narrator, that is another day again the writer went to the Jessler brothers shop, and what he has done, he also wear one shoes pair, and that shoes, that boot he bought from the other large firm. Other large firm is what? Other boot shop, big, that shop is very big. Okay, from another big shop the writer bought that new pair of the shoes, and he was not comfortable with that shoes, and as he went to the shop, Mr. Jessler easily understand that these shoes were not made by me, I have not made it. He understand, and he touched the particular part of the shoes, and he said to writer also that this part is not comfortable for you, you are uncomfortable while walking, while using this boot. Mr. Jessler informed to the writer. Then another one more thing here, Mr. Jessler informed that these big firms are what? They contempt, they hate to the big firms, big shops, big boot shops. Why? Because these big boot shops are attracting to the customer through the false advertisement. By showing the things very good in the advertisement, they are attracting the customer, and actually what they are giving, they are selling very inferior quality of the products. So in this way the Mr. Jessler head to the large firm or the head to the big shops. Then the author explained why I bought these shoes from the big shop. The author explained it. The new shoes lasted nearly 2 years, and in this next visit he receives quite a shock. Where he enters the shop, he sees the young Jessler brother, who informs him of elder Jessler's death. That day he orders several pairs. It takes longer to make them, but the quality is even better than the previous one. Now here the new shoes which in the last side, which the new shoes given ordered by the writer and done, that shoes last for 2 years. So for 2 years writer is not visited to that shop, and when he visited after 2 years he got a shock. What? The young Jessler brother informed him that my elder brother was died. And this is the very shock to the writer. And again the new one pair is also better stitched, very good quality by the Jessler shop. Soon after, the narrator leaves for abroad and returns after over a year. The first shop he goes to is Mr. Jessler. Mr. Jessler, now 75, is unable to recognize him at first. Narrator gives a huge order. The wait is longer than ever, but the quality only gets better. Now here if you see, here Jessler brother, we two brothers are working in a one shop, own the one shop. So one younger one said that my elder brother died in the first example. Second, our narrator went to the abroad for 1 year, and as he returned he went to the Mr. Jessler shop, and at that time Mr. Jessler, age of Mr. Jessler, that is 75, and he was unable to recognize the narrator. So narrator try to give his introduction and also gives a huge order of the shoes. The wait was longer than the wait for to making the order. Mr. Jessler, whose age is 75, needs more time to do the work to complete the shoes, to make the shoes. So wait is longer, but the quality is same. The quality is very better. Yes, now we have seen upside that one shoe pair lasted for 2 years. So definitely the quality of that material is very good. Remaining part we'll see afterwards. Read once all, and remaining part we'll see afterwards.